My new IKEA dishwasher is flashing a -30 fault on the panel saying that the anti-flood device is activated. It is inbuilt. How can I remove the excess water so it can reset itself?
Welcome. My name is I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. If you look under the main door, there is a kick panel. You need to remove this after turning off the power. Look in there and it should be dry, but it sounds like it will be wet. Dry this up carefully and it will reset. If you need more help, please just ask. In the meantime, can I ask you to take a moment and rate my responses so far? Please use the smiley faces, which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. This will not close your question and you can still come back to me if you need more help. Thanks, Rob.
I don't mean to be thick here, but this kick panel is on the outside, and if so, is it hidden by the wooden panel, or do I have to have the door open fully flat and look under that?
Hi, no worries. If there is a wooden or plastic panel that runs all the way around your kitchen units, you will need to remove this first. Then once you are down to the dishwasher itself, with the main door closed, under there, you will see the machine's kick panel. This is what you need to take off, to see under the wash chamber of the machine, where the pumps etc. are. Please don't forget to rate, as this is the only way I get credit for helping you today. This will not cost you more, or close your question. Thanks, Rob.
Hi, Rob. I checked the compartment you referred to, but it seems it is bolted in. Could it be somewhere else in this dishwasher?
Hi, if you can't get the kick panel off, you will need to pull the dishwasher out and lean it backwards to tip the water out of the base. Thanks, Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.